Hello everyone, I have here a Philips hair clipper. It's a multi-groom that can do haircut and shaving. Now we're going to unbox, review, and test. So you have idea before you purchase. Inside the box you'll find product details, manual, and warranty card. Hair clipper HC5630 and a charger. You will also receive 3 accessories for your long hair, for your beard, and for short hair, and also a cleaning brush. Okay, we have here the Philips HC5630. The battery is using lithium ion. You can use this both plug or cordless with 1 hour charging and 90 minutes use. You can adjust from 0.5 until 28 millimeters, good for short hair and long hair. And also, you can also use this for shaving your beard and mustache. So it means that the more you adjust, the wider the opening of your shaver. Okay, let's talk about the accessories. This is a plastic comb. You'll receive 3 of them in the box, a short, long, and beard. It's a durable plastic. In case you need a replacement, it's available online. Now, this is the real deal. The blade of the shaver, or the clipper. It's a stainless steel blade from Philips. So Philips claims it has double sharpened blades for faster cuts. Imagine, you can save time and battery for this. One of the good things of this clipper is that it's 100% washable, and Philips claim it has a self-sharpening that will last for a couple of years. Let's see. Okay, let me teach you how to install the blade properly. First is safety. Ensure the parts are well intact, like the motor. You will hear a tick sound, meaning it is locked securely. Then double check again. On the box, you'll find 3 accessories. This is used for short hair. The second one is used for long hair. And the last one is used for beard shaving and also for mustache. Let me teach you on how to safely remove the plastic comb. Now the secret here is to gently pinch and your plastic comb will easily be removed. 16 to 28 millimeters. You need to apply a little force. It's quite challenging. But 3.15 millimeters and 2 millimeters are very easy to remove. So just pinch and remove. This is the color of the LED light on your clipper. So we are now going to test the Philips clipper. Let's try to turn on. So how about we go in turbo? Now you have an idea how loud the noise of the hair clipper from Philips. So we're gonna test the Philips Series 5000, model is HC5630.
อ่ะ